Swimming lessons will not fix this. Let me tell you, if your body panics in the water, even if you know you're safe, it's not because you're bad at swimming, it's because your nervous system isn't ready. And that is what trauma-informed swimming actually solves. I hear this all the time. I love the water, but I can't control my body well in it. Or I panic and I don't know why. It just kind of like comes on very quickly. I know I'm fine, but I freeze anyways. That confusion is a nervous system response, not a character flaw, not even really a swimming skills flaw, and definitely not something to just push through with more drills. Trauma-informed swimming doesn't turn swimming lessons into therapy. It turns your body into a better learner. Here's how it works. Water removes the usual signals that we have for safety, like solid ground, predictable movement, easy breathing. And your brain picks up on this very quickly. Even if you might be thinking calm thoughts, let's say, your body might shift into survival mode. These things sometimes are not matching up. Like I would have this when I was trying to learn how to do crew racing, that the boat was tippy, and I know I'm 100% safe. I know, even if I fell into the lake, because I swim in the lake all the time, I was rowing where I swim. I know that I actually am more skilled and confident if I got thrown in the drink. But my nervous system was on fire every time that boat shifted. So what does it look like? It looks like holding your breath, or tensing your body, or rushing to the wall, or just plain old freezing up. This is your nervous system doing its job, keeping you alive. But learning a new skill, that requires something else. Safety. Not the kind that you talk yourself into, but the kind of safety that your body feels. I see this a lot. People saying, I know I'm safe because I could just go to the wall. But there's this rushedness to it. It's not in alignment. Trauma-informed swimming asks a different question. We don't ask, how do you get to the wall faster? You ask, what does your nervous system need right now in order to learn? It might need slowing down, letting your body orient in a different way, prioritizing your breath and rest over strokes and speed, prioritizing listening to the real sense and feel of safety, not pressure. Because when your nervous system feels a little safer, your breath returns, movement gets easier, and the skill starts to click naturally. I hear that all the time. I want to swim naturally. This is about matching your nervous system and your movements. Before your next swim, try this. Pause and ask yourself, do I actually want to get in right now? If your answer is no, don't judge it. It's okay. That honest check-in might be the first building block for building trust within your body. It's not lowering the bar, but it's meeting yourself where you are now. This is where it begins. Trauma-informed swimming is for anyone who has ever felt like the water has turned their body against them. Good news? You're not broken. You just haven't been taught this part yet. Now you know. Swimming lessons aren't enough, but your nervous system is very teachable. You've got this. Aloha.